sound of music drifting in the aisles. Elevator Prozac stretching on for miles. Music of the future will not entertain. It's only meant to repress and neutralize your brain. So engineered to suit you, building cheap thrills. The music of rebellion makes you want to rage, but it's made by millionaires who are nearly twice your age. So get squeezed out, edges get burned. Democratic gives what you of the world.